Hi, it's Les Per Year, and today we're going to learn about how to change keys on the guitar. For example, we're going to do this in the key of G. Now I'm going to do that same chord progression in the key of C. Okay, now I'm going to do it in the key of D. So how do I know what chords to play for those different keys? Well, I'm going to show you how to figure it out right now. Okay, we're going to do it the same way on all of the root keys. So if I want to do a G, so my root key is going to be the G on my E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what I want to do is I start with my G and I count down 4 frets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that is a E, so that is always the minor key. So you start with your major key and you go and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that's E. We played the minor key there. Okay, now I'm coming back here above on this E because I can't count any lower. Now I'm going to do my E and I'm going to count down 5 frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now there is C. So that's my third chord, and then I just go up 2 frets. So I'm counting up 2. Or you could say I'm counting up 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's a D. So here's the way that I play it. I go G, E minor, C, D, G, E minor, C, D, E. And that's how I figured out what chords to play. Now, let's do the same thing for the C major. You start with the root note, C, and you count down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then that's A. We're going to do the minor on the counting down on 4. Then we count down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's F. And then we count 1, 2, 3. That's G. So that gives us our new key. So now we're going to start on D and we're going to count down 4 frets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that's on a B. Remember, we're going to take the 4th fret down from the root note, and that'll be our minor chord. So that's B minor. So we've got D, B minor. So let's count from the B. 5 frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the G note. So we got D, B minor, G. So what goes next from that? So we count up 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the A chord. So that'll be A. So now we have our progression for the D key. D, B minor, G, A, D, B minor, G, A, D. So we have just looked at the same chord progression in different keys. So let's start off with the G again. So we got G, E minor, C, D, G. Then we do that same chord progression in the key of C. C, A minor, F, G, C. And then we do the same chord progression in the key of D. And the way we did it was the same way every time. So that's how you change from one key to another. Okay? All right. I hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you next time.